Okay, so we're here to talk about the Affidavit of Motor Vehicle Gift Transfer, which we call the gift tax form. Basically, what this form is for is if you are given a vehicle or giving a vehicle to someone, this is the form you will need so that they avoid paying sales tax, which is the 6.25% sales tax based on the value the vehicle has on it from the presumed value that the courthouse gives. So what this will basically charge them a $10 fee to do this transfer and put it in their name instead of paying sales tax. So that's mainly why people use this. So if you go to txdmv.gov/forms, it will bring you to the Department of Motor Vehicles forms page. You can also just Google this and the form will come up as well. You just want to be sure it's not county specific when you get the form. You'll go down here and click the title and registration forms, hit find forms, and then this is going to be the third one down. The actual form number on this form is 14-317. You can click it. It will take you to a printable and both fillable form. The top of this form, you can fill in the county you're going to transfer it in. The second part is just basic vehicle information, which you will be able to get directly from the title. The third part is going to be your relation to the donor. So the recipient and the donor have to have a pretty direct relation other than a couple of instances, and they give you those options down here, but it's typically going to be direct family. So you're going to have the donor information here, real basic name, address, phone number, recipient as well. And then on this particular form, which is something that we don't do a whole lot of with Texas title work anymore, is there's generally not a notary required, but on this particular form there is a notary required for both signatures. So whenever you do get this filled out and get ready to sign, you'll want to be sure and have a notary handy so that you can get that notarized and ready to take. On the second page or the back page, depending on how you print it out, it will give you some basic information on what's required for this form, give you an explanation of kind of how it works. Documentation that will be required because you will have to have this, the title, and the Form 130U, which is the application for title, and that will get you everything you need to actually get it transferred over. And like I say, the main deal here is just to avoid the 6.25% sales tax on the presumed value of the vehicle. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. I've got a few videos on Texas transfer forms like this. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have, try to help you out best I can. Also, if you just get super confused on this and are nervous about maybe filling it out, you can just print the form out blank and take the paperwork down to the courthouse or tag office that you use, and they will be glad to help you out. And like I say, if you get any questions, just put them down in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Thanks.